Understanding chemotherapy, what you need to know. Chemotherapy is a term many have heard but few truly understand. Today we'll explore chemotherapy, how it works and what patients can expect during their treatment journey. Chemotherapy, often called chemo, is a type of cancer treatment that uses powerful drugs to destroy cancer cells. These drugs target rapidly dividing cells, a hallmark of cancer, to stop their growth and spread. Unlike localized treatments such as surgery or radiation, chemotherapy is systemic. This means it travels through the bloodstream, reaching cancer cells that may have spread to different parts of the body. Chemotherapy can be administered in various forms. It can be taken orally as pills injected into the bloodstream or delivered directly into the cancer-affected area. The method of administration depends on the type of cancer, its stage, and the specific drugs used. Treatment schedules can vary. Chemotherapy is often given in cycles, consisting of a treatment period followed by a rest period. This allows the body time to recover between doses. Chemotherapy targets fast-growing cancer cells, but it can also affect healthy cells that divide rapidly, such as those in the bone marrow, digestive tract, and hair follicles. This can lead to side effects. Common side effects include nausea, fatigue, hair loss, and an increased risk of infection. While these can be challenging, there are medications and supportive therapies available to manage them. Managing side effects is a critical part of the chemotherapy journey. Patients are encouraged to communicate openly with their healthcare team about any discomfort or issues they experience. There are many strategies to help mitigate side effects and maintain quality of life. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle during chemotherapy is important. Light exercise, a balanced diet, and emotional support can help improve physical and mental well-being. Chemotherapy is not a one-size-fits-all treatment. Each patient's plan is personalized, taking into account the type of cancer, its stage, and the patient's overall health. This individualized approach helps maximize the effectiveness of treatment while minimizing side effects. Understanding chemotherapy is the first step in demystifying this critical cancer treatment. With knowledge, support, and a personalized care plan, patients can navigate their chemotherapy journey with confidence and hope. Thank you for watching. If you or a loved one are facing chemotherapy, remember you are not alone. Reach out to Dr. Sachin Marda with any questions and seek support from his trusted team.